Corporate Finance MCQs Part 5. Operating ratio is a relationship between operating profit and dash. Debt service, option B liquid, option C sales, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option C sales. Quick ratio is also known as dash ratio. Option A collection period, option B debt service, option C liquid, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option C liquid. Quick ratio indicates option A collection period, option B liquidity, option C turnover, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option B liquidity. Current ratio indicates dash. Option A short-term solvency, option B long-term solvency, option C net operating profit and capital employed, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option A short-term solvency. Standard stock turnover rate is dash time. Option A 6, option B 5, option C 2, option 3 D 3. Correct answer is option A 6. Stock turnover indicates dash. Option E capital structure ratio, option B stock velocity, option C short-term solvency, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option B stock velocity. Proprietary ratio indicates dash. Option E financial stability, option B liquidity, option C sales, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option A financial stability. Marketable security is dash assets. Option E stock velocity, option B short-term solvency, option C liquid, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C liquidity. Return on capital employed equals to dash divided by capital employed. Option A net profit before interest tax, option B net profit tax, option C earning per share, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A net profit before interest tax. Payment to creditors will option A improve current ratio, option B decline current ratio, option C not change current ratio, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A improve current ratio. Quick asset are equal to current asset less stock, option B current asset less bank balance, option C current asset less current liabilities, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A current asset less stock. Operating ratio is a relationship between option A operating profit and sales, option B operating cost and sales, option C net profit and sales, option D net profit and capital employed. The correct answer is option B operating cost and sales. Higher current ratio and lower liquid ratio indicates higher incidence of option A cash, option B debtors, option C inventory, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C inventory. Lower current ratio and lower quick ratio indicates option A bad liquidity position, option B higher operating efficiency, option C better working capital management, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A bad liquidity position. Return on capital employed is a relationship between option A net operating profit and loan, option B net operating profit and capital employed, option C gross profit and sales, option D gross profit and total asset. The correct answer is option B net operating profit and capital employed. Return on capital employed is also known as return on total asset, option B return on fixed asset, option C return on investment, option D return on shareholders fund. The correct answer is option C return on investment. Debt equity ratio is a relationship between short-term debt and equity, option B long-term debt and equity, option C current liabilities and share capital, option D preference capital and equity capital. The correct answer is option B long-term debt and equity. Debt service ratio shows short-term financial position of the company, option B financial stability, option C debt servicing ability, option D liquidity position. The correct answer is option C debt servicing ability. Dividend payout ratio is a proportion between option A dividend per share and earning per share, Preference dividend and equity capital. Equity dividend and equity capital. Total dividend and equity and capital employed. The correct answer is option A, dividend per share and earning per share. Operating ratio is the proportions between option A, operating cost and purchases, option B, operating cost and sales, option C, total cost and sale, option D, net profit and sales. The correct answer is option B, operating cost and sales. Shareholder equity does not include equity capital, option B, reserves and surplus, option C, debenture, option D, preliminary expenses. The correct answer is option C, debenture. Net profit ratio indicates option A, overall profitability, option B, profitability, option C, trading efficiency, option D, liquidity. The correct answer is option B, profitability. Unless otherwise mentioned, it is assumed that debtors and bill receivable release at option A, book value, option B, market value, option C, cost, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, book value. For calculation of interest coverage ratio, net profit should be option A, before interest and taxes, option B, after interest and taxes, option C, after interest but before taxes, option D, after tax but before interest. The correct answer is option A, before interest and taxes. Retention of debentures of cash will be option A, increased debt equity ratio, option B, decreased debt equity ratio, option C, not change debt equity ratio, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, decreased debt equity ratio.